Diverse background of engineering disciplines. Engineering is largely a practical activity. It is about putting ideas into action. Civil engineering is concerned with making bridges, roads, airports, etc. Mechanical engineering deals with the design and manufacture of tools and machines. Electrical engineering is about the generation and distribution of electricity and its many applications. Electronic engineering is concerned with developing components and equipment for communications, computing, and so on. Mechanical engineering includes marine, automobile, aeronautical, heating and ventilating, and others. Electrical engineering includes electricity generating, electrical installation, lighting, etc. Mining and medical engineering belong partly to mechanical and partly to electrical. Transport, cars, trains, ships, and planes are all products of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers are also involved in support services such as roads, rail track, harbors, and bridges. Food processing. Mechanical engineers design, develop, and make the machines and the processing equipment for harvesting, preparing and preserving the foods and drinks that fill the supermarkets. Medical engineering. Body scanners, X-ray machines, life support systems, and other high-tech equipment result from mechanical and electrical engineers combining with medical experts to convert ideas into life-saving and life-preserving products. Building services. Electrical engineers provide all the services we need in our homes and places of work, including lighting, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration, and lifts. Energy and power. Electrical engineers are concerned with the production and distribution of electricity to homes, offices, industry, hospitals, colleges, and schools, and the installation and maintenance of the equipment involved in these processes.